Inside the gold plate, it's egg of childhood, petite Bleue, egg yolk, tomato sauce, Cajun spicy. Just be careful, very important to eat in one bite. It's a little bit liquid inside, so very much very close. Just in front of you, it sounds like a spring Greek salad, feta cheese ice cream on the top, crispy rice spices, and for the season, beetroot marinated grapes, black olive from Kalamata, inside the vinegar, raspberry and rose petal water. Don't hesitate, use the brioche bread with lemon zest and oregano, sound like a sponge bread with water of salad, so take open and use with the sauce. After, in more center, the spanakopita, it's a herb pie with feta cheese. Of course, the chef has blended into. So just you need to take with your hand for separating it. And for finish, crispy of buckwheat, smoked egg tarama, foie gras on the top, and inside black olive from Kalamata. for the view, for your first starter, the broccoli steamed cook. On the top, broccoli and lemon balm ice cream, lemon coffee and Greek yogurt with touch of vanilla and Venetian only. For your second plate, buckwheat toast with sweet almond cream and caviar from Venetian out. The must is you eat the both together in blended flavors. For that, start with touch of broccoli, go into the caviar and back and forth. But very important to start with the broccoli. Bonne dégustation. The lobster rusted inside the corn leaf. Because it's blended with corn, parmesan cheese, sorry. On the top, cauliflower roasted with a lemon, no sauce emulsion. The sauce is the juice of corn infused with lemongrass. And for your second plate, lobster claw in tempura with cream of corn and lime. Start with the lobster in the radial and finish with the tempura. And fry in the last minute, so for the moment it's very warm. Bonne dégustation.
Madame, Monsieur, this is your veal fillet with the veal sweetbreads. You have some sweet onion cream with some poached rhubarb, baby potato and mustard seeds. The juice is a juice of veal with a caramel of rhubarb that will add a touch of sweetness.
Big for your dessert, lemon ice cream and herbs cocktail, blend of green cheese or verbena, lemon balm and tagette leaf. On the top, it's a tagette leaf too. Starts with one touch of the leaf and after blended everything. Madame, Monsieur. Right now, the hot chocolate, 70% of cacao. Oh, this cacao is infusion. Madame, Monsieur. For your dessert, start with the locomades inside the nuts, cinnamon ice cream. Just be careful, one bite. Dangerous for you, just something very same of the first, but liquid inside. For the view, for the pear is pushed with racing white wine. You have pear sorbet with pear caramel on the top, stracciatella with hazelnut caramelized, and of course the hot chocolate. Just because it's never enough. Ice Greek yogurt with vanilla, Venetian only walnut caramelized on the top, honey biscuit, take off and eat with the yogurt. And for refresh your mouth, you have the Petite Bleue, some like a homemade ginger beer with ginger syrup, lime juice and sparkling water.
Baby, ما تديك خليه
That's for us is a little training for your palate. Okay, just a little second. Okay, we start with last but not least. In middle of your table is our idea of cigar. Is a black olives roll stuffed with goat cheese and yuzu gel on top. It's kind of citrus. Now I move in front of you. From your left is our pink prawns from Versilia on beurre blanc and mint olive oil and a touch of krauti. Is a kind of cabbage. In middle is a crunchy basket made with corn stuffed with leche, is a kind of fish, hazelnut mayonnaise and horseradish on top. Last, it's our famous fake cherry. Fake because it's a chicken liver pate glazed with cherries. So if you like and if you trust us, you may enjoy how I did explain. For roll and basket, you can use fingers like all. Thank you. This is our homemade selection of bread. Now I start on the top from your left with the most taller is grissini or breadsticks made with lemon and capers. And follow with the crackers is remember eribollita is a famous soup in Tuscany. So on palate you will feel cabbage and selection of seeds. In middle, from your left, tarallo. It's typical bread from south where our chef from, made with pork, almond and black pepper. Bread instead is little funny story because in Tuscany we are famous for give you unsalted bread. But chef is from south and he doesn't like it, so he puts salt. We use lemon and thyme. Last, in front of you is focaccia. Basically, our is very soft because it's steamed with lard on top. Lard is a pork fat. That is from Siena, Cinta Senese. The last touch for enjoy bread is olive oil. It's from Tuscany. We are in San Casciano, very close Florence. The farm is a Greppi di Silli, and the name of oil is Proxima Secula, means next century. That's because every tree in this farm they have minimum 100 years. So the olive oil is very rich. This is a blending. With our red prawns from Mazzara del Vallo, we're serving raw because this prawns is famous for to be very creamy and sweet. So just olive oil, lemon and salt. We don't use black pepper or don't cover Italian caviar on top. And in the middle, for give you a touch of acidity, our panzanella inside roll. Panzanella is typical bread salad wet in vinegar, so it's a bit strong. Green olive sauce on bottom, aromatic olive oil, and for help you is a wafer made with prawns. Enjoy! Okay, signori, in front of you it's hamburger. That is one of our classic. Maybe you know like yellowtail. It's marinated between salt and sugar and born outside for give you a touch of smoky flavor. The garnish are béarnaise sauce, asparagi in consistence, and lemon gel. When you're done, as a side, we have a ventresca, which is the belly part of fish. It's a dry age, and it's dry, smoky with paprika and salt. That is a bit strong. Thank you.
Very large bottle. Right.
That could be choice.
I know.
See now? One of our signature dish. This is our bottoni. Bottoni means button, for this Spanish shape, no? Similar button of a jacket. Pasta is very light because it's made with 1 yolk on kilo flour, stuffed with smoky cheese, chard, and cuttlefish on the side. Now we'll finish with inzimino. This is a touch of guazzetto, we say it's like a sauce with the cuttlefish, squid, chard, and a touch of lemon. Enjoy.
Gel e milk. Poi gambero rosa, beurre blanc, krauti, quindi cavolo fermentato, or the milk. In order to have a little bit more acidity to cut through the richness of the dish. Yeah.
That's in front of you. It's your main. It's the first main course. Is the turbot fish.
You're welcome.
Is a roasted fish glazed with mugnaia. Is a sauce with capers and lemon. Zucchini on bottom in consistence. So you have the sauce, gel, and the zucchini boiled, stuffed with a perlage of vinegar, with a touch of mint. Similar to escabeche. Yellow part is achi amarillo, which is a typical bell pepper from Peru. And for more crunchy, we have a fried zucchini flour. Enjoy!
Oh yeah, it's just an open one.
Signori, this is the plate you choose. Is pigeon, is pigeon breast, cooked on chapels, and pigeon fillet in middle, with a sumac on top. As a garnish on plate, you have morels, is a mushroom, apricot, and pine nuts. And the last touch. Thank you.
What did you say this is
It's a
again?
pigeon fillet.
Is it cooked or smoked or
It's quite raw.
it's quite raw?
The chef has also with coffee, so a little bit of sweet selection.
This is just a pre-dessert, something for clean and refreshing palate. It's a panna cotta made with a lapsang, smoky tea, crunchy bergamot chips, spheres is stuffed with the bergamot, it's kind of citrus and fennel, fresh fennel on bottom, and this is tea with a mix of spicy. Enjoy.
So, signori, we are at the dessert. It's a dessert based on peas and bergamot. So we find peas in multiple consistency, the thin gel on top, the oil, the powder, the candied ones, and a sponge made with pea. Underneath, short crust bread made with the lapsang souchong tea, and like a sort of a mousse made with buffalo milk, ricotta cheese, and bergamot. I will finish your dish with this sauce made with pea extraction, pea oil, and bergamot. It's
Wouldn't even know.
an end to spring. Hope you will enjoy it.
Thank you.
Castello.
the end of the hourglass, your infusion is ready to be drunk. Thank you so much. So, we start with the tartelette. It's a puff pastry with vanilla cream and a caramelized beignet. The madeleine with cocoa and glazed with white chocolate, passion fruit and mango. The stars, it's a vanilla crystal bread and it's like the zucotto fiorentino, traditional dessert with ricotta cheese, candied citrus fruits and alcarbas. Then the drop is a milk chocolate inside different consistency of coffee. The lollipop, it's a vanilla semifreddo glazed with dark chocolate, dehydrated yogurt and dehydrated black cherry.
Of course, it's good. It's only 3:30.
Can I? Please follow me.
Regarding the depth of the stage, from where it starts, it goes about 50 meters to the very back, first 25 being the main stage.
The first 6 rows downstairs is the same depth. Can be more, can be less, depends on the show. This is the average.
Don Giovanni. Don Giovanni was the first opera ever put on stage here in 8.
Like Mozart, Beethoven, Rossini, but others are the guys in this.